morning guys, naami karon diri sa Divisoria branch na Jollibee for our breakfast. It's already 9 a.m. and yes, mga unsa mi. And we are planning to revisit today the El Salvador Divine Mercy Church, and after that mag-visit mi sa saan katong White Sunday niya. Let's see kung makaya na mo within the day. Finally, we arrived here sa Divine Mercy Church. Good lads na niduol sa amua, which is they're selling candles for 35 pesos. It's fine. Bali 5 pesos per candle. It's colorful. Actually, na mga meaning siya per candle. But yes, nag-ilis ko og jacket and thought wore her jacket pod cardigan. Because the place is very sensitive when it comes to being conservative. So bawal ang spaghetti, bawal mag-short. Actually si Tot nag-short siya, but nani sila pahiram na mga saya para gamiton. So si Tot, she is going to get a saya para masuot. Donation lang. Habang akyatan. Dati is actually napadito ang entrance, but now gibalhin na nila diri. So isa na lang ka look at the stairs. So we are starting to climb the stairs na. I don't know kung how many steps ni siya, but I think medyo taas gid kaayo, but it's fine. It's fine. And we bought some water para at least dili may uhawan sa taas. But actually, our main purpose here is the oil, Lana tot, no? Which is, as per Tot, it's very effective when it comes to healing. So the healing oil is very, very effective. So we are hoping to buy it again. Hello, doggy doggy. Pangiro, walay ka effort mo saka. Hello, doggy doggy. So this is our second time there is El Salvador Divine Mercy Church. Yes, it's beautiful. As you can see, there are lots of tourists and locals na naadri sa spot mismo sa Divine Mercy. They maybe want to experience the holiness of the place. Nothing has changed. One of the best or most beautiful places we've been. Statue of Jesus Christ. So yun, that's yung statue is about sila nakafit Tot. I'm not sure kung unsa kataas or pila ka fit na siya, but yung mga murag sunrays niya is actually mga stairs na siya, because you are allowed to climb dito sa taas to have some prayer. And then mubaba ka diripod na side sa silong. So they are giving you at least a 15 minutes na seminar before you climb. Bawal ang cellphone, cameras. So last time actually ni-akyat me, but we were not able to bring cellphone or camera. So yun, we had our prayer. Hello Tot, what can you say? Holiday. So here's us. Oy, doggy doggy. Sir, this is the place. Muna akong giingon nga stairs. Okay guys, here is the oil. Okay guys, this is the relic shop. So nakapalit na may oil. Duha ka 70 pesos na oil. Actually mag-last month po na siya, pila ka months. Dili man na siya consume. Haplas naman ginagmay. Guys, we are now looking for the candle station, kung asa na mo siya ma-light. Those are my candles. Usually, when I buy a candle, usually daghan yung ginapalit. A minimum of 7 na siya. and bungkig gid na dapat, hindi siya partner-partner. I don't know kung ano, pero mo gid na akong ginapalit. So usually pag maglight ko og candle, especially if na ako sa candle area, ginadikit na ko siya. I light it all together. Kasi some of the candles, if hiwalay siya, magpatay ang fire. So that's why if ako yung nag-light ng candle, magkadikit talaga yan sila. Nothing, just want to share. Okay, we are done here sa El Salvador and now we are going to Hasaan, kailahang Naked Island. Just 12 of the afternoon, but look at the traffic. Grabe. We're stuck. Currently, naami diri karon sa Hasaan, Green Waters, Hasaan. We are here for our lunch kay wala gid mi nakakaon. Medyo disappointing lang ang Agutayan Island, kay medyo mahal gid kayo siya. 1,500 ilang gino-offer, wala pa ilabot ang environmental fee plus katong isa pa ka free sa barangay daw no. 50 pesos. So in total kung 6 mo ka buok, probably inyong mabayaran is 1,900. Actually, di naman siya lisod kung 6 mo ka buok, but kung kami lang duha nito, probably mo spend yung mga 1,800 gyapon. Medyo mahal-mahal siya. Actually, naunta siya dito. I'm not sure if makita ninyo diri sa vlog, pero naalang na siya dito. Mga around 20 minutes na biyahe siya kung mag-start may diri sa Hasaan. So, sulit siguro siya kung naibarkada, pero sa Amuamurag, dili siya sulit. Kaya unlike sa Camiguin, I remember 450 lang ang bayad, back and forth na siya sa White Island, and sobra na pud kayo to siya ka sulit. So yun lang guys, I'll be back to you once once after na mo mag-lunch. Green Waters, as you can see, medyo karaan siya siguro nga resort, wala kayo nagaligo. So nga mo lang anis maka-lunch. Guys, balikan na lang tamo. Pero yun nga, bawi naman sa view. Look at the view. Yes, look at the view. Done na sa lunch. Whew. Hello guys, good evening. Yes, we are back here in our hotel. Actually, when we arrived, we overslept. We not overslept. Automatically nakatulog yun me because medyo kapoy jud. We were not able to proceed because of the medyo expensive na na bayad pagtamo, which is 1,700 probably kung duha lang mi, or kung kaya pa daw 1,500. It's expensive. Actually, it's a 20 minutes biyahe, pero murag di man siguro worth it. But anyway, one day, magbalik mi dito. And probably, pag kana nga day is namin mga kauban. But as of now, medyo summarize na ko ang akto ang na-visit. It's more on like, Divine Mercy Church sa El Salvador. We had our lunch sa Green Waters, Hasaan. So far, one of the best sinigang na liempo or baboy ako ang na tilawan. Tomorrow, we will travel back to Davao na. And that would be a whole day travel again. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or send us a message sa Facebook. Sick. Kapoy daw siya. Anyway, I understand. So, yun nga guys. Please don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, tapos in Facebook. Please like our page. Then subscribe in our YouTube channel. Please, Tots Adventure. Thank you. Ikaw, Tot. Maingan.
See you to the next video.
Mungkin tipid kaya na siya mo istorya atero. Kung balagod ka no, kung mag-uban gani may anak no, narana siya sige yaw-yaw. Tipid kaya na siya pagka nang aning istorya. Bye-bye.